Apparently, there are so many videos in YouTube claim that they can show how to create Gmail account without phone number verification. But the fact is they are either trying to place some fake numbers from the different countries or trying some tricks to open a Gmail account. It shouldn't be that difficult, so I thought I will show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. Today in this video I am going to show you two easy ways to create Gmail account without phone number verification. Hello everyone, my name is Keshav and I would like to take a time to welcome you guys on my YouTube channel. I'm going to click to the sign in. A new window pop up. Now I'm going to click to the create account and choose for myself. Let me input my personal data here. First name, last name, desired Gmail name and password to login. All sets. Let's click to the next. Now you can see my phone number and recovery email are set as optional, so it is not mandatory to fill them. I need to fill the date of birth and gender and click to the next. I want to set up express personalization and click to the next. I have to confirm the setting and cookies that include web and apps activities, YouTube history and personalization, which is basically for the ads targeting. Let's confirm this as well. Well, my newly created Gmail account without phone number and email verification is loading now. There you go. I just created a Gmail account without phone number verification and email verification. So if this one does not work for you, let's try the option number 2. Option number 2. Let's create a Gmail account without phone number verification. First, open a youtube.com on your mobile browser and sign out of YouTube if you have already signed in. Click to the profile icon on YouTube and click to the sign in. During the process, YouTube may going to ask you to open this page in a YouTube apps. Cancel that. Now on the signing page, you may be going to see your other account if you have previously logged into Gmail using same phone. But choose use another account. Gmail is going to ask you to sign in, but choose to create the new account. This time, let's create the account for a business. I'm going to tap to the manage my business. Let's fill all the data needed to fill for the Gmail profile. First name, last name, Gmail account and password to login. Remember, when you sign up using YouTube, your password needs to be a bit stronger. So mix your password with a symbol and number and click next. On the next page, let's input date of birth and gender details. Again, I like the express personalization and confirm the Google privacy terms and everything need to be agreed to. Since this account is for a business, Google is asking me to create a business profile which can lead to the listing the business in the Google map. But since this email is for the demo purpose only, I'm going to click not now. Again, Google is asked me to open this in a YouTube. I cancel that. Now I'm signing to YouTube with a Gmail account made for the brand, which means now I have a YouTube channel and Gmail account as well. So let me show you Gmail as well. If you find any difficulties creating your Gmail account without phone number verification, please write in the comment section below. I'll try to answer and help you throughout the process. There are so many other things you can also do with a YouTube channel and your mobile phone. If you are interested, please write in the comment section below. I will make a video in day to come. This is all in this video. I hope this video helped you create the Gmail account without phone number verification. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share this video with others. Until then, take care and see you.